it actually did work. And I didn't even pay the $250. Let me show you how. This is very simple. Go to ghost-prompt.com. You can scroll down a bit, view free viral videos. You enter a prompt. I'll give you the link and the prompt in the description. Right ratio and generate audio. This is very important if you want the ASMR effect. And generate with AI. Right. And here you go. You got geo-blocks. Hey, I'm Jonathan, dev of all trades. I lead engineering teams by day and craft wide side projects by night. Want to build for yourself or your business? Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss the next build. Here we go then. My first step to build this platform was to get my ID straight. What do I really need? What do I really want? I try to get everything I need. First, I want people to be able to make requests and prompts. So let's describe the process first. Someone got on the site, select a model, input the prompt, pay, get the content. We need this. We absolutely need this. Try to get it as simple as possible. We don't want database. We try to avoid storing any data. Let's say we have our backend here, and for this backend, we need to go to some kind of API, an AI, for example, at least to store temporarily the content that we fetch, because we don't want anything on our server storage, maybe S3 something. We want to plug this way. Then we upload the storage and we get it back to serve the user. The user can directly access this, so you don't have to go through us. We want to access it here to render it. So that's simple. And the user can't directly access the API, so we need some kind of interface. There will be a page that will be rendered on the backend. Now we want to take into account the context. This is the context we are in. I am a solo developer. I am proficient most with is Python. I don't have much time. Maybe I have an evening plus weekend. So I think it's quite enough to make it very simple. It doesn't have to be very detailed. So for the backend, let's say the simplest one for me will be Face API. For the front end, I don't want to do anything fancy. So I would just get an HTML page that is rendered. We use maybe HTMX. We want to go fast and we are alone on CSS, or maybe Tailwind. Maybe we can use Daisy UI component, what we have now. So Face API, Daisy UI, Tailwind HTMX, simple HTML page, OpenAI API, and S3 storage. I know Cloudflare one is not so expensive and I have free tier, so let's go Cloudflare 2. This is simple. Let's try to do this. Always have the documentation. I have many other pages open, like Daisy UI, OpenAI API, and I want also to implement a payment system, so Stripe. I will store this on my personal GitHub. So we open terminal, let's clone it. I have my anonymous GPT with my README. First, make a virtual environment. So conda create name anonymous GPT. You just have to install the package. Going here, get this part, and that will be fine. Okay, the next step is to run our server. So Face API dev man. Okay, so here we are. Here comes the good part. Now what we want to achieve is to try to see if we can get cursor to help us with this. With agent mode, it will plan, search, and build. Copy all this, get to back my main.py because I don't want this context to mess around. Okay, let's go. Let's just see what happens first. So it will help me build this application. Now the generation is complete. Let's try to take a look. So what does it tell me? It tells me to run the app with run pi. Okay, let's try. Let's try and see. Okay, something is missing. Yes, OpenAI key. Try to ask it if I can make a mock. Dev mode with mock data for OpenAI. Let's see. Okay, so if I run it again, it will be okay. Looks like it. Impressive. Okay, let's try. Oh, it's not too bad. Honestly, I did not do anything. I just did my prompt. Okay, I need to try my prompt. What I want is to try to estimate what will be the cost of it. Let's try to make one. Oh, so I'm already at this long. So 5 token for 1000 output token. So okay, it's dynamic. We can see the price is dropping. I don't know how it's made. We just try and see. So let's go with hello world. Let's try it first. I click, nothing moves, but let's see what happened behind. It's time to review a bit of this. Let's just keep it. I will begin, with this one. So okay, we did review everything. That was quite long, but now we can try to iterate with this. Let's take a quick look at it again. I have my prompt. More. And let's try the daily one, because no, we didn't try. Okay, nothing happened here. It's on /prompt. We have this issue. Okay, so let's commit everything. First generation. Okay, so we have this issue with the 422 unprocessable entity. Easy way will be just to say cursor. We have this. When I click on the generate with AI, I have this issue, and let's see what it does. Nice. This is nice. It is actually trying to do it. Open, submit a prompt, and try again. Refresh, I guess. See. Nothing, but we have the UUID. This, and here we have it. We have this one. We have the mock response. Download. Yeah, it looks pretty good. This is not working. Create a new request. We get back here. Very nice so far. Here we have, I think the next step is trying to try the image part. Don't really care about this. What we have here is we call it, and we have this issue. It's because of the option, I guess. Because here we have the mock image, and we can download it. So what we need to fix now is this. It's when we retrieve the UUID. Let's ask it, Now I have this issue. Okay, so yeah, let's keep it with this. Fine. Yeah, HTMX once again. And that's funny because we are using it. I did not even touch any character about HTMX. When I will have to really make something, it will be very, very challenging because I don't even know what it did. I just did read through the HTML files, but did not take a look at it. What does it change? Is it changing anything? Or is it just reading? I assume it's reading now. Okay, okay, try it. Okay, refresh. And try something. Oh, and here we are processing. Nice. Actually, it's really nice. Really. I get this. It's good. And what did it take me? Not even an hour, and I got full app. It's amazing. Everything is working. Maybe I have lots of tweak to do. Look at this. Got my result. Can create my new request. Everything is mock. Maybe offline I will try to make some real use case because I don't want to share my API key and everything. That is actually amazing. Thanks for riding to the end. I hope you got new fresh ID. Now, smash like, punch subscribe, plus the bell, and I will see you in the next build in public.